2025 Honda Odyssey, minivan tech leader gets sharper. 2025 Honda Odyssey, family minivan, interior technology, safety features, hybrid option, sliding doors, infotainment system, YouTube reviews. The 2025 Honda Odyssey enters the spotlight as the family minivan benchmark once again, but this year with sharper looks, upgraded interior technology, and improved safety features. As Honda adapts to changing market demands, the Odyssey not only maintains its position as a reliable people mover but also expands its appeal with a potential hybrid option and refreshed tech. Add in its signature sliding doors and a class-leading infotainment system, and the Odyssey continues to be the minivan to beat. Across YouTube reviews, the Odyssey is praised for its family-focused practicality and modern execution. Fresh exterior and family-focused interior. The 2025 Odyssey receives a modest but meaningful design refresh, featuring a bolder front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and more aerodynamic lines. Inside, Honda has doubled down on family comfort with an available panoramic roof, upgraded materials, and reconfigurable seating options that allow parents to adjust the cabin for maximum utility. The signature Magic Slide second-row seats remain a highlight, giving the Odyssey unmatched versatility for both passengers and cargo. Technology at the core. As the minivan tech leader, the 2025 Odyssey pushes boundaries with its revamped digital cockpit. A new 12.3-inch central touchscreen comes standard, backed by a fully digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, and the Cabin Talk in-car PA system has been updated for clearer sound. Parents will also appreciate Cabin Watch, which allows them to keep an eye on rear seat passengers through the infotainment display. For rear entertainment, Honda offers a built-in streaming suite with dedicated Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Safety and efficiency. Safety remains a pillar of the Odyssey's identity. The latest Honda Sensing Suite comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and new driver attention monitoring. For 2025, Honda also teases the arrival of a hybrid option, aimed at boosting fuel economy while keeping the Odyssey's responsive V6 engine for higher trims. This balance of power and efficiency ensures the Odyssey continues to serve as both a practical commuter and long-haul family hauler. YouTube buzz, family test drives. On YouTube, the Odyssey consistently dominates minivan-related searches. Reviewers frequently highlight the Magic Slide seats, spacious third row, and family-friendly entertainment options. Channels that showcase road trip experiences and day-in-the-life family tests have earned millions of views, proving that the Odyssey resonates with real-world users. Parents especially appreciate content showing how the Odyssey handles school runs, road trips, and child seat installations with ease. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Odyssey sharpens its formula with interior technology, safety features, and a possible hybrid option, making it the ultimate family minivan. With strong visibility in YouTube reviews and unmatched practicality, Honda continues to ensure that the Odyssey is more than just transportation, it's the gold standard for family life on wheels.